I'll be showing you guys how to use Putty for DDoSing. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first of all, you want to have Putty. So for Windows 10, I don't think it'll pop up if you look it up. So you're gonna have to pin it to the desktop. The link will be below. But yeah, this is a video for people who buy shit from me and like don't know what to do. First, you want to open and if you want to already have mine loaded, go ahead, open that. You log in root, then your password, which is private. Here you go. So you might not have bash, it's just something I got. So yeah, you see all these scripts I recently added. Now for booting, you have all types of scripts. So most of the time for Perl that has the ending with PL is going to be some like this Perl, then the name, something like that .pl shit, then IP port and shit like that. Then it will tell you like what would you have to do. So now you see Perl reckless .pl. Now you see we gotta put the IP. So let's just put a random IP. Okay, now you see you have to do port. Now the size is up to you. Maybe I don't know, anything that will fit you. Anything that will fit you. So size, since it's just education purposes only, I'll put that. Time 0 for infinite. Otherwise you can put like minutes. Cannot connect to host name because obviously it's a fake IP. So yeah, that's pretty much how you want to do it. And for Python scripts that will have py at the end, you just do that, then enter the name. So yeah, let me go ahead display this IP. So yeah, for this tutorial I'll just do this IP. No, I do not. Let's just, I don't I don't now. No. Yep. So yeah, and I would try in